Yeah, good afternoon and welcome. On my right side is the Registrar, Professor Duri, and left is Professor Ramesh Pai, who is the Dean of School of Physical and Applied Sciences. This press meet has been scheduled basically to give some clarity on the news appeared in the yesterday's daily and then some other social media related to the question paper recognition. With that respect, today morning I had a meeting with the Dean of School of Physical and Applied Sciences and Registrar. And then after going through the documents, I realized that there was absolutely no complaint against anyone about paper leaks. There was no complaint about any complaint. The person concerned, about whom this news came, he is a good researcher. He has number of projects there. So it so happened that one day evening, maybe around 5:30 or 6 or so, he finds that one of the chemicals which his student is supposed to work for in the laboratory is not there. Therefore, his husband is to play. Therefore, he went to one of the cabins of his own colleague. That means there are many teachers have been given different cabins. So one of the cabins he went after that teacher left. And then he took a chemical for his students to complete one of the experiments. This is the reply he has given. And also from any of the faculty from the same school, there is no report that the question paper has been leaked. Because we conducted, as per university rule, there is ISA, internal examination. So internal examination is conducted by the concerned teacher. So there is absolutely no complaint from any of the teachers that this has happened. Rather, he has entered into one cabin without the permission of that teacher. Means whomever has been allotted that cabin. So with respect to that teacher asked, then he said, yes, I only entered and I entered there basically to take a chemical for the experiment. So this is what happened. But again, what we did is that because to clear this, all the confusion, today morning, as per the discussion with the Dean and the Registrar, a fact-finding committee has been constituted, 2-member committee, and they have been asked to submit the report within 48 hours. And if you find that there is some substance in that, further action will be taken. We also have the Executive Council, and this report, on this basis, of course, there is some substantial evidence that something has gone wrong. Then definitely we will go ahead and see to it that disciplinary committee has been considered. Those committee will look into that in detail. As per the legal proceedings, we will do that. So this is, what has been done on the basis of this news item. In fact, till then I tell you that as a Vice-Chancellor, I have not received any complaint from any faculty member that question paper has been leaked.
So you want to say all the reports coming of paper leak is false?
That is what I am saying, that absolutely from where this has gone to the paper, I don't know. No complaint has received. If had there been any complaint, the inquiry would have been initiated. Now, because the paper says this, a fact-finding committee has been constituted, and the committee will go through that in detail, and within 48 hours that report will come.
So who will be members of this fact-finding committee?
I don't want to reveal that because one of the senior deans and both are deans and senior professors.
So how within 48 hours that they will find? Fact-finding 48 hours is sufficient enough time?
At least we will come to know the same. There is that without fire there is no smoke. So from there we will be able to understand.
That is just verification of the allegation, but not really fact-finding. The fact-finding will take detailed interviews and all this stuff.
That is subsequently. That is disciplinary committee. On the basis of this, then we will have a disciplinary committee. with that will take context.
Sir, yes.
But again, let me tell you, because to clear this, all this, the form, we have actually put him under suspension pending inquiry.
There are reports saying that this happened past year, and 1 year there has been action taken on that professor.
No, that's what I'm saying, that there was no complaint about question leaking of question. It's basically that the faculty member sees like this. Let's say in a department there are 5 faculty members. I have the keys of other rooms also because of the trust or because of the freedom. Okay, so I find that one of the chemicals I want is there in some other faculty member's room. So I entered there, I took the chemical, and that has been given to my student for chemical analysis. This is what his reply. So where is the question of question leaking, etc.?
Sir, when he entered one of the cabinet, what the question paper sets were there?
No. That's what I'm saying. That he only said that I entered there for taking the chemical.
Yeah. But where the question
No.
So this information that is providing, that is 1 year back, right?
Which semester?
But 1 year,
Which semester?
September.
So is this the same which the allegations are?
Yes, on this. That
So he remembers that day, that particular event that he entered this and he knew that was wrong?
No. That time, you can speak.
Can I explain what? Brought to my notice one evening through our WhatsApp group saying that person has entered into family scattering. So that person has put this message. But in my absence, so and so entered into my group. And immediately the concerned person apologized for the same and gave the explanation of the what has happened. Subsequently, the faculty room which he had entered gave us a written complaint very next day. So, based on that written complaint, we have forwarded that complaint to the higher office to take appropriate action. Appropriate action has been taken. So the matter ends there because there is no examination related elements in this complaint.
So when was it?
This was September.
Same time.
Same
When
time.
it is done.
Yeah.
So now
So because I have not received as a dean of the school, neither from my faculty nor from my students, that there is any allegation or grievances regarding the examination. So without a written complaint, I cannot take any action or I cannot suggest any action to the higher office. The only complaint I received is that he has opened the room of another faculty in his absence. Normally it is not done. Even if it has to be done, we inform him. That's what can I open your room, etc. That is not done.
So the question whether the examination paper were in that room is not correct. I mean, those examination papers were not in that room.
There was no complaint saying that the examination paper were opened or
So our question is whether when he entered that room, the question papers were lying in that room or no?
I have no idea because the complaint was not.
Let's see, get something in writing.
I want to know. Now you are applying. Before that you have issued a suspension.
Yeah, pending inquiry.
Pending
inquiry that as per the CCS rule.
But has the professor been notified about the suspension because student union has got first in hand suspension.
He has been issued, and along with that, he might have obtained from our section, the SPAC section, copy of that.
So he has been implemented.
Yeah.
The order has been sent by email to concerned faculty.
Not fact finding, pending inquiry. Suppose the fact finding committee finds that there is something substantial, then we'll have another. And if they find that there is nothing, then I'll take it to executive council, discuss the matter, then we will revoke that.
So what are the consequences of such things coming out? What would happen if another person is found guilty?
Then we will, heavy punishment, even removal from the, not even removal from the, if it is, that is a punishment.
Sir, I just wanted to know whether chemicals you keep in somebody's cabin or in their
It's
laboratories.
like, I think you have not understood. In schools and colleges, it's in the laboratory. But here, everyone has its own project, research project, so that chemicals can be kept. Even for example, before I took over as the Vice-Chancellor, because of my project, I have many things in my own room. So that, because it cannot be, except basically the fund has received for my research. So the chemicals or anything related that can be there in the same, that can be.
Semester 3, semester, which semester was it? September.
Second semester.
Looks like somebody might have said something. Means I have not neither Dean received any complaint nor he received any complaint. No, but there is a police complaint also. There is a police complaint. So therefore, pending inquiry, he was suspended.
So suddenly one of anything suspicious about it?
Somebody is getting high mark, how do I be suspicious about that? Which student?
So that the allegation made by the ABUP to done things.
No, see, the thing is that you can make an allegation against someone. It's absolutely wrong. Unless you have some substantial evidence in your hand, you can make some statement. If somebody is getting good mark, it might be he or she studied and then he is getting mark. So that is why when there is some allegation like this, inquiry will be there, and if inquiry finds that there is some truth in that, then we will go ahead. Otherwise,
So you will be briefing after.
What are you waiting for?
Will you be briefing the media?
why you getting
About the findings.
Or you will be releasing press note?
releasing? We will release it.
So this suspension is based on the police.
Yeah, basically that. Police complaint and news allegations, all allegations have come.
Yeah, because serious nature.
Allegations
And
are
what
serious.
if he said sort of
He will be fine.
Allegations of what and not to make.
You say when it's absurd, it is coming in the paper on the front page. When you say that he is absurd, just imagine that how those things have come on the front page of the paper.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.